going on, world? Attorney Render here, give you some exclusive content, so weekly episodes, weekly podcasts, whatever you want to call them, with some preventative law measures, some current legal issues, telling you what you need to do before you call a guy like me. We're going to be on Instagram, we're going to be on YouTube, we're going to be on TikTok. We'll be here for you. Check us out. On our first episode, we're going to talk about the YSL RIco Case, Racketeering, Influencing, Corrupt Organizations Act. This was originally used to take down the mafia. Now it's being used to take down rap groups and rap labels. Young men with millions of dollars in influence in their cities who can affect change. Unfortunately, again, these draconian laws are being used against our youth. Now, to understand what's going on, you gotta understand the politics in Atlanta. DA Fannie Willis is taking over for District Attorney Paul Howard. There's a change in regime. With that change in regime becomes new mandates, new aspirations. It's been said that Fannie Willis does have political goals and dreams. What furthers those dreams? Taking down YSL, taking down other groups of the same nature. One positive look at this RIco case is that it's a state RIco case. It is not a federal RIco case. We understand that the feds have a 90% conviction rate, and it's not the same for the state. Downside of that is that the state RIco statute is a lot more broad than the federal RIco statute. If you read any of the indictment, you'll see certain things can be depicted as others, and they can be charged as such without there not being certain evidence to convict. Now, unfortunately, just being associated with a criminal organization can lead you jail time, which is the position that Gunna is in. Now, bonds were denied, citing that they were possible flight risks and risks to intimidate witnesses. This could possibly be because proffers were taken. Proffers are statements against another co-defendant. So that means someone is AKA snitching. Now, unfortunately, these proffers have made it seem like Young Thug is a danger and will hurt individuals if he finds out they're making statements. These are what the proffers are saying. These were used to help deny bond. Now, moving forward, there will be discovery made available to the parties, the evidence to be used in the case, and this will be indicative of the trial moving forward. Who takes pleas, who takes deals, what is what. Unfortunately, one of the issues that Young Thug had is when his house was raided, they found a modified Glock in his home. Now, I've done a separate video. This is a Glock 34. This is my range pistol I use for accuracy. I use this as an example. What's going on now is this famous switch is being placed as an aftermarket modification. It's placed here on the back of the gun, and it makes the gun go from semi-automatic to fully automatic. When you have a 33 round clip extension as I have in mine, you'll be able to let out around 33 rounds in about 6 to 7 seconds, which can be completely devastating if someone's on the other side. This is what everyone's rapping about, and this is what the feds are hot on the trails of right now. Unfortunately, if you're caught with something like this, you're looking at around 5 years fed time. That video details the difference between the two firearms. Position of the switch on the Glock makes it a fully automatic weapon. Unfortunately, this adds more time to any gun charge that you may have. One of the defenses to this may be the search warrant, the manner in which they searched the home, the conduct in which they searched the home, where the location was, where the firearms were found, whose name the house is in, etc., etc. These are some possible defenses, but unfortunately it's looking very, very bleak for Young Thug in this matter. For more exclusive content and more information, check us out again, Render Law Firm on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube. Check us out.